What's up, everybody? I'm Daniel Silva, and for those of you who are new here, I'm a tattoo artist in Los Angeles, California. And a little backstory about this particular tattoo. It's done on my buddy ZAK Longo, and I actually sat him down for a new series called Tat Talks, where we're interviewing celebrities, athletes, influencers, and interviewing them while they get tattooed. I thought it was a dope concept. I'm kind of going for a little Hot Wings vibe with a little podcast vibe. So let me know what you guys think of it. And I'll even probably put a couple clips of it before the time lapse just to see what you guys think of it. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave comments below. And 90% of you who are watching and not subscribed, so just do me a little favor, go down, press the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up for the algorithms and stuff like that. I don't really know because I'm new to this, but I appreciate everyone who has subscribed already. But let's run those clips.
I got my first tattoo when I was like 16 years old. Definitely did not have my parental consent. I went to a tattoo shop in my neighborhood in Toronto that a lot of my older cousins and stuff had gone to. So I had this picture of our family coat of arms from Calabria in Italy, and I went to the artist and I was like, I want to do the coat of arms over a cross. And I remember just sitting over a chair for 6 hours, 5 hours. I didn't want to stop, didn't want to take any breaks. I just kind of wanted to get it over with. I mean, it's not bad for a first tattoo. It does kind of look a little Jersey Shore-ish, but it's not the worst tattoo I've ever got. But I tried to hide it from my parents. I was like, okay, I'm not going to tell them. And because, I don't know, when you get tattooed for that long, your body kind of goes into shock almost. I just didn't feel well afterwards. So I went home and laid in bed. But I had a hockey game that night. Canadian, obviously I had a hockey game. So I remember telling my parents I was sick, I couldn't play hockey, and my mom came in my room to check on me, and my dumb ass left the tattoo cream in the guy's business card on the table.
The business card too.
My mom's like, take your shirt off, take your shirt off. She knew right away. And I was like, no, get out of my room, get out of my room. Kicked her out of my room, I locked the door, and 2 minutes later, my dad comes back and you tell the difference of the knock. Open the door. I'm like, oh man. And then my dad made me take off my shirt. My mom screamed, and they disappeared. And then I remember the next morning I crept upstairs to hear, if anyone was talking about it. My mom happened to be on the phone with her sister, my aunt, who's tatted up. And my mom was going to my aunt. She's like, well, it is a really beautiful tattoo and I can't take it off him now. So, and that's when the floodgates opened.
So I hope you guys liked it. I thought the detail came out insane. Obviously a lot smaller than my normal tattoos, but I made sure I tattooed it in a way where I thought it was gonna hold up really strong. So let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, but until then, I'll see you next time.